Okay guys, so now we're gonna get straight into taking off the wheels of your trucks. So first you take off the bolt, the washers, and then you take off the bearings, and you should be good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna disassemble the truck. You take off the kingpin, and then you take off the bushing guard, the guard for the bushings, and then you take off the bushing, and then you want to remove the truck off of the truck holder after you're done removing the bushing, just like that. Then you move the bottom bushing, and then the bigger bushing guard, and then you should be good to go. Your truck's nice and disassembled. Okay guys, so now we're just gonna take the guards off of the bearings, and once you're done doing that, you want to get distilled vinegar or any cleaning solution for metal of your choice. I heard vinegar can be very harmful to certain metals like aluminum, so you should be careful when choosing your cleaning solution. But then you just pour it in your container, and then once you pour in your container, you just proceed to throw all your metals in it, just to get all that dirt and all that grime off, and maybe some rust if your wheels got as dirty as mine did. So yeah, you throw in your bearings, your guards, your bolts, the guards also for the bushings, and basically just throw all that little metal stuff in, and just make sure that everything gets nice and clean. Okay, so now you want to go get your second container, fill it up with water and soap so that you could clean the dirt off your trucks and your wheels. So I just use regular dishwasher soap, but you could go ahead and use any soap you want. So after you get all that dirt and grime off, make sure you properly dry it off with the towel. Unfortunately, I forgot one and I was using my shirt the whole time. Alright guys, so next we're gonna sand the wheels down and get them ready for painting. Also, shout out to my cousin for helping me out. I appreciate it, bro. You really made the process a whole lot faster. And just like that, everything's sanded down and we're ready to start painting. so stupid. I got spray paint on the phone. I'm sure YouTube got my back. YouTube will show me a way to get it off. Spray paint you in the face. Yeah. Alright guys, so now you want to make sure to get all your metals out of the container. But first we're going to start with the guards because I forgot I wanted to spray paint those. But anyways, you just want to scrub all of the cleaner off, all of the vinegar off, or whatever you used, and get them ready to get put back together. Have you ever built a truck before? Okay, so first, get this piece, which is the big fat one. And get this thing, switch it out. This one. Like 5 spins on it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, we finally completed restoring these beautiful trucks back to their former glory. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below anything you think I could have done different. And stay tuned for the board that I'm going to put these trucks on. It's going to be insane.